Funnyface ni Stonebwoy yenya beef bi na ya hosem na adapetwa no kwama Stonebwoy ene ne yiri Dr. Louisa na wo hwemu a wo de ma yenhwe mra baby antokwa no efiba ma yenhwe emra.
Hey, Stonebwoy! Stonebwoy! You are up in the nest in the news bulletin. Stonebwoy! You are up in the nest in the news bulletin. You want to destroy me to Adebayo so you could take my shine, Stonebwoy. You see, when Adebayo told you, Stonebwoy, I can give you a car, I'll give you a bike. That car, your bike, you're being me. Adebayo gives me cars. Stonebwoy. Oh my oh yeah, Apache cripple. Stonebwoy play Stonebwoy. If you make a choice, Stonebwoy with the ball bet to magazine, Stonebwoy play free kick like Ronaldo. Stonebwoy be road on a shoe. Oh yeah, Apache Stonebwoy yeah cripple. Stonebwoy oh my Shatawale fight with me found me dream because come many did that now guys what confirm this get one. Mental maybe a mental health in a mobile for me Shatamu oh my Shatawale. Stonebwoy now to me Stonebwoy. One more year, my baby, Stonebwoy 2 double no. Stonebwoy, maybe you 2. Stonebwoy, maybe you 2. Maybe Louisa, Louisa, I'll fuck your wife, Stonebwoy. I'll fuck Louisa. See the way they hurt me? I'll hurt you like that. Louisa, you're ready. Me do fucking kwasi ya shatabado simana. Qualified teeth maker. Kwasi ya kwa ya shatabado simana. What is that shatabado kwasi ya? Division the shatabado small. Kwasi ya. Stonebwoy. Uma me try what kwasi ya. You Stonebwoy, you got money. Stonebwoy, 2012. Now, one your friend is saying, Black City, no mujina 37 guy. Stonebwoy, na do be anybody. Na unibi. Oya bua Stonebwoy. Kwasi ya na office wa ye. Oya shawo ni ba Stonebwoy. O ma mi na wewu no. Ni te e wa samando. Kwe me abi Shatawale di mo plus o. Me I know the hold west so. Hey, one bucket this you no. Red bucket. Punso ne wo mu. And me trim to mu. The Pusoni and Jare, my Stonebwoy. What will happen to you in this country? I give you 40 Ghana cedis, 2012 Saturday Sika. So Messiah, Daddy, thank you, Daddy. Stonebwoy, you called me Daddy in 2012. My life has its challenges. And then Yama called down Mamia. Kwasia, Black City, why I'm grateful to Black City. Black City, remember? It was at 37 under the trees. Stonebwoy, who ye da? Stonebwoy, who be bre? One pine am this kind of no, maybe a cone, my target pie, my ramp pie through. Ramp pie through. And I'm just bold, yes, Stonebwoy. Yeah, go for. Go Nibia bay for. Go Nibia bay for. When people are settling on the mainlands, no, go forward to settle on the highlands because we are witches. Kwausa are witches. We always want the highlands. Go for Etibaza go everybody so that yes, no be a Garia ya bay for. Go for ya bay for. Ya very mutu munina. Obi ya onam the TikTok trend. Stonebwoy now Zuko yebi. Stonebwoy, you are joining my enemies to tease me. You capable boy Apache. Hey, Stonebwoy, play free kick. Stonebwoy, play free kick. Play free kick. Stonebwoy, play free kick. Corner to go. Free kick. Hey, kick. When you toto me Stonebwoy, kwasi play free kick. Abua. Una be loga besiwa. Kwasi doctor now. Louisa, uso ya shawoni. Louisa, branding fake. I have your gist from KNUST. How did you win all those 7 awards? Remember those lectures who fucked you? Oh yeah, boy. Kwashia Dr. Louisa. And your BP was low. If anything, a bit more coma and a bit more stroke zone. Because you BP no more be more. Hey, me my cousin, my brain. I will buy out in a grand star. And Stonebwoy initially was just medical alone. but you are part now because of ungratefulness. You see how you betrayed Black City. Black City Shatawale, where a boo stage, you know. Black City, Black City, and so betray no. We are poor Apache. Kwasi, how does that make my way? Bella says no more. Bella says no more. I know who's in I auto good in us about Kwasi, Stonebwoy. Oh, yeah, Apache. Oh, me railway. Stonebwoy, me railway. Fetch me true. Me molding goes. Boy, oh, mommy, eh. I told me Kwasi, I 2012 now me show Stonebwoy. I used to take off you, Abua. Remember when he came to my car to beg me for money, Stonebwoy, in 2012. Today, life has its ups and downs. 12 years down the line, I'm down, you are up. You are looking down on me.
Funny, yes, ye, Dr. Louisa. Sebi, ntokwana opo social media no. We are innocent to my mammy with him say, one shed and pen on some sa. Send you compo now on the one, Mr. Wa. Would you any better than I would trust a queen to her?